good, everybody? It's your boy, Hot Rod Fuego. And today's installment, I'm going to get into something super exciting. Guess what I just got in the mail today? My seat covers. Yeah. And these bad boys were not cheap, I must say. They feel like great quality. I'm so excited to put these in the car. Already too tired of the cloth interior. Got the red and black. Again, I got them off the Extreme online store. And it only took them about 7 days to deliver. So excited about this. And these are seat covers for the rear and the fronts. Headrest and all. So I'm going to go ahead and install these. Let me show you guys what the interior looks like now. So as you can see, the color is very close to the paint. These were pretty much in the Camaro section. So yeah, that red is going to look nice on the interior. Let's look at the interior. Here we go. This is the interior. It's gray and black. It's pretty boring. Pretty boring. Pretty boring. Yep. Gray and black cloth. And we're going to change that out. It should be fun. So I just put the headrest on just to really do a test fit. And just wanted to see what the colors would look like in contrast to the car. And yeah, I'm really pleased by that. I'm glad that I went red and black right here. Pretty much you just sliding on top, really. You just sliding this on top. These are the headrests that are adjustable. I don't know if you can see that right there. So there's a hole for that. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring this up. These straps right here keep this headrest snug with Velcro right on the bottom here. So far so good. So far, this installation seems pretty straightforward. They have covers for each section of the seats. This is the back of the seat right here. The top of the seat. And here, you're just gonna open this up. You're just gonna open this up right here. And you're pretty much just gonna shimmy it snug over the top of the seat. I suggest doing that first and then going to the headrest. But so far, this seems like a pretty straightforward installation video. So here we are. We have the headrest, the backrest, and the seat installed. I gotta say, I am thoroughly impressed with the fitting. With a lot of car covers, the fitting is trash, loose, it wears. This feels like high quality stuff right here. And the fitment is perfect. You get what you pay for most of the time. This wasn't too expensive, but it wasn't cheap. For the fronts and the back, I spent $400. And I am very, very happy the way it turned out. You know, this is just the driver's seat. What I did notice is the toughest parts of this are going to be reaching in the middle right here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Putting your hand through here and in the back and grabbing it, you know, make sure you pull tight and snug. You have these straps that have hooks. There's two of them on this side and on that side. You also have this elastic that wraps around the seat right here. You can't see it because it's actually wrapping around the base of the seat. But as far as these hooks, one hook there, you're going to grab it and pull it, and it has a hook. And you're just going to pull that hook to about right here, and there's a clamp under the seat, actually, that you're going to snap it to. And it's going to make it snug. No air. It's not fluffy. It's not loose. it's there. It's sitting pretty flush. And you know, after sitting on it in a while, it's gonna actually, you know, lay down even more so. But you know, only time will tell. Right now, I'm gonna tell you right now, this feels good. This doesn't feel cheap at all, and it looks good. You can see the color of my car and this color right here. So it looks good, and I am definitely pleased. I will give it right now a 5 out of 5. It's going to be tougher to go in the back. Not even gonna lie. Maybe I should have did that first, but we'll get to that later. I might not even do the back seats right now because really you can't even go in the back. Nobody cares about the back. It's not even worth anybody sitting back there. Definitely going to do the passenger seat because you can't have two mismatches, right? All right, guys, here we are with the passenger side. Same rules apply, and the same struggles. When you're going to do the bottom of the seat here, the cushion, the seat cushion here, make sure you take the seat all the way up to the front so you can reach one hand down here, one hand down here to grab it and to hook these two straps right here who have hooks at the end of them. They will be hooking under the bottom of the seat. The toughest part, well, it's not really that tough, but I would say the toughest part is reaching your hand in here to pull the hooks, there's 3 of them, to the back here. Everything fits snug and looks great. High quality. They're not cheap at all. They're not cheaply made at all. They fit the contours and the patterns of the seats of the Camaro. And I saw 2 different styles of red and black, an all red and black and yellow. The all red was sold out. I'm glad that I went with the black and red though. Okay, guys, it is now the next day and I have the seat covers put in. I did the back seat. As you can see, I did the back seat. The back seat looks pretty good. Pretty good. No wrinkles, no bubbles. Everything lays down pretty smooth. And the back seat is a 2-piece set, the back and the bottom. You know, easy to install. Like I said, the hardest part is when you're tall and you're bigger. You got to kind of squeeze back here, but when you get back here, it's self-explanatory. To put these seat covers on, you just pull the lever to pull the seat out. You know, let the seat down. And then, you know, you just go across the top right here with the flaps that go around the back. It's 1, 2, 3 Velcro strips to hold them in tight. It looks really good. The quality, the stitching. I'll show you guys the stitching and the quality up close. Yeah, it's not cheap. I always say you get what you pay for. Sometimes you don't, but most of the time you get what you pay for. And this looks good. I mean, it really transforms the vehicle. Let's get back out. Take a better look at it from here so you can see. Yeah, I'm really happy about this. This is a definite upgrade from the cloth, plain, bland interior. So I highly suggest it. Easy install. It looks great. High quality. Yeah, you will not regret it. You will be highly pleased. You will be highly pleased. So let me know what you guys think. I would say the amount of time that it takes to do this total, it'll probably take you about no more than 40 minutes to an hour. Like I said, this depends on your size because the back is tight. But I got back there, I'm 6'3". I got back there and I managed, and it wasn't as tough as I thought, though my head was hitting the ceiling. Just gotta bend down and get to it. So well, there you go, guys. This is the car seat covers that I got off of Extreme Online Store. Let me know what you guys think about it. How does it look? It's a definite upgrade, ain't it? $400, but it's $400 well spent. As you can see, everything fits right. So thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, hit that like. Please subscribe. If you don't like it, hit that dislike and leave a comment. I'm open to all questions. Again, thanks a lot for checking out my installation video of the car seat covers. It's your boy, Hot Rod Fuego. Y'all be easy.